Thutha wa gucerera wabici cia kaunti na kwaranĩria na aruti wĩra a thirikari ya Kiambu, Gavana Kimani Wamatangi nehenete mwerekera na mitaratara ya uria arenda mirutire ya wĩra ihĩmbĩrio kumanagia na riu.
Shall support and do the best that we can to make sure that we have the best people. And wewe mahali unafanya kazi, if I need to come in personally, I will to support you. Lakini kama wewe ni mtu ambaye umefikiria ya kwamba kuna shortcut ya kujitajirisha ukiingia kwenye serikali ya county, ya kwamba ukipata kazi kwa planning ama kwa revenue ama kwa rates ama wapi kule kwa sub county, ama wewe ni ward admin na tumepata shortcut ya kupata pesa, basi wewe tafuta hiyo pesa. Lakini ukitafuta mchana na usiku, ujifiche sana, kwa vile Wamatangi akikupata, mimi nitakuzindikisha mpaka nyumbani. I promise you.
Akiaria hindi ya mucemanio wake na aruti wĩra makiria ma 3,500 kuma icigo-inĩ 6 cia ubunge hari 12 cia kaunti ino, Wamatangi amurikite uitangi na uhuthiri mũru wa mbeca cia mũingĩ na iria ciũnganagio ta igoti, akiheana mukana kuri arugamiriri a honge itiganite.
Sisi tulikubali kama county ya kwamba we have no ownership of the control ya kuulizana wakati mtu anakuletea bill, kama ni bill ya kuuliza ya kwamba umepeleka gari yenu ikatengenezwe, how much are you going to be charged? How much do you say yes to and how much do you say no to? Ndio unaona magari, unasikia gari hiyo iko na bill 1,800, hiyo iko na bill 1,900, hiyo iko na hii, na zimejaa kwa magaraji.
Aruti wĩra ni mahetwo mweke wa gutariria mathina mao maria mangienda mamurikwo ni thirikari njeru niguo mahote gutungatira mũingĩ kaunti-inĩ ino na njira igwete.
The municipal boards, we have not paid their allowances for quite a while, and I think this is one of the areas we would request support to be able to be efficient, including creation and development of the governor's residence and the deputy governor's residence. Those are outstanding because of budgetary constraints.
Mũnyinyi wa Gavana Rosemary Kireka aratariria ati marenda kurikanira na aruti wĩra niguo makinyukanirie hamwe gukinyaniria kioneki na ciĩranĩro iria meranĩire makimatha kura.
Just be proactive to do the right thing and to do things right. And together we are going to go far. Gavana
Wamatangi aheanite mwihoko kuri aruti wĩra aya na kumomereria mathie na mbere kuruta wĩra na wihokeku na gutari na uitangi wa mbeca cia mũingĩ. Gavana augite mbeca iria ciroraga nicio ciragĩrĩirwo gukorwo ikiriha aruti a wĩra mishara mategucerithirio, guku akihe mukana aria mari ruhonge-inĩ rwa kĩgĩna akienda matigirire ni mahonokia mbeca cia kaunti.
Sisi hatuna agenda ya kufukuza watu. What I want us to do is simple. Can we agree, it doesn't matter with who, that we are going to build and make Kiambu great again.
Thekenda ni gutigirira mũingĩ wa kaunti ino ya Kiambu ni maheo motungata makinyaniru. Kimani Wamatangi akienda kuhingia ciĩranĩro iria ereire mũingĩ wa kaunti ino. Handu-inĩ ha Inoro TV kuma kaunti-inĩ ya Kiambu, njĩtagwo Charles Gĩkunga wa Kariuki.